Hello, Matthew Sweigart here. Thank you so much for tuning into my Qigong online channel on YouTube. And I want to invite you today to a special opportunity. You can join these classes live. So you don't just have to watch a recording. You can check in, you can ask questions, and you can have access to a recording archive that has hundreds of these videos just waiting for your viewing pleasure at your leisure. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can subscribe to my online Qigong. And let me share my screen here and show you how to do that. You want to get over to heartmindhealingarts.com. That's my website, heartmindhealingarts.com, all spelled out. Here it is in front of you here. And what we're going to be going to is training tab. Pull it down to Meridian Gesture Qigong. Click on that. And then this will load in. Come on. I think it'll load in. Who knows why it's not loading in right now? This is frustrating. Why? There. It just took a while. The internet can be kind of buggy, I guess, sometimes. But anyway, you're going to go to that training tab like I showed you. Click on Meridian Gesture Qigong, and you'll find this page, Meridian Gesture Qigong, mindful movement for balance and confidence. And you can join us as a subscription in our online community and practice up to 4 times a week. Now, even if you subscribe for just 1 time a week, that will get you access to the recording archive. So you can watch recordings at your leisure, whenever you like. Now, we offer these 4 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 a.m. and Wednesdays at 5 p.m. And those are Pacific time. I'm out here in Northern California, where I broadcast from my studio in Nevada City, California. So the promise of this is to increase energy, alertness, confidence, vitality, breath, and balance. Vital aspects of feeling fully alive. So I invite you to take time to nurture your inner life, enjoy those nourishing meals, eat healthy snacks, stay hydrated. Or, the question is, are you dropping into a rabbit hole? I like video games on my iPhone, tell you the truth, and I imagine other people do as well, but those don't really nourish your body as much as doing some Qigong. So at least come 4 times a week and feel a little bit better about it. What about if you're suffering from being unsteady on your feet, or feeling restless or achy or stiff, or you're consumed by life's details? It's keeping you awake at night, even maybe sometimes, or maybe you're in a malaise. So Meridian Gesture Qigong, it helps you with all those things, right? Move with greater ease. So just come right here and get this consistent practice of Meridian Gesture Qigong going, and you will feel a lot better. There's some nice verbiage on here. Go ahead and take some time to read it. You can read about me, my bio, where I've been, what I'm doing, why I get to stand here and teach this and lead you through these. And then we've got these 4 levels of membership, and you can just click on these and you can gain access. So for just $40 a month, you can get a class a week. 1 class a week. And nowadays, yoga classes are $23 for a drop-in for a single class. So this is like 1/4 the cost of a live exercise class. Come online and join us. And now if live online subscription work doesn't quite work for you, then I invite you to go back into my website, main page, go over here to the store, and pull down this pull-down menu in the store for online digital programs. You see, I offer lots of different trainings. I've been teaching for 35 years, so I've got lots to share. But this is a chance here's your online Qigong monthly subscription option, and Meridian Tapping. I probably have to revise that, but Meridian Tapping is one I highly recommend. And the Meridian's 12 Qigong Level 1. This is going to be a 12-hour video course that's going to teach you the basics of Meridian Qigong. It's a really exciting course. We actually filmed that in Chicago about 10 years ago, and beautiful time, about 20 people in the class, and we had a great time filming that. And I'd love to have you take take a look at that and enjoy that 12 hours of basic training in Qigong and get your energy moving again. All right. So those are some options here on my Heart Mind Healing Arts.com, heartmindhealingarts.com. That's where you want to go to get signed up to be a subscriber to the ongoing Qigong classes, as well as access to the recorded classes. All right. Yeah, thank you. Look forward to seeing you in class. If you have any questions, shoot me an email at heartmind.shiatsu@gmail.com, heartmind.shiatsu@gmail.com. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. And I'd love to have you join us for our online Qigong classes. They're a lot of fun. And I actually do a good bit of singing in there too. So you get to sing along or move your body, whatever. Have a good time. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.